Okay, last time you watched me have a disgusting drink which went fantastically, I thought, apart from the permanent damage to my body. But today we're going to eat something that I think is delicious, but other people might feel is disgusting for some reason. I don't know why. We're going to make a sandwich with all these ingredients. Watch as she spreads the peanut butter. That's peanut butter, that is. That's the first ingredient. And you might think this is quite a normal sandwich at this point. It is, I mean it's just a peanut butter sandwich. But not for long. Next up, hummus. Now you might think this is already pretty disgusting. I genuinely don't. It's weird when you mix a lot of foods, it always goes to wonderful colours. Oh, nom nom. Now some olive tapenade.
Say it in a slightly less middle class accent.
Now we got some olive paste. Gotta remember the point of this channel is not to kill me, right? So many colours, all the colours of the rainbow. And now some Worcestershire sauce for that unique English flavour. I call this the monstrosity. Oh, okay. That's so good. Genuinely. The way that the mustard and the ketchup intermix with the pesto and olive spread is genuinely amazing. And the cheese is just the cherry on top. Actually, cherries would go really well with this whole sweet and salty thing. That was really fun. And to be fair, I've eaten crazier things. If you have any in mind, then leave them in the comments below in the doobly-doo. I have been Jolo. What?
Normal. You'd want to be friends with this guy.
That was really fun. If you want me to do... no, all good. So I'm not sure my stomach agrees with me, but I really enjoyed that. I love sauces. I love sauces. That was really fun. I
Love sauce.
can't think of anything else to say. Like, subscribe, share, comment, follow me in real life. Follow me on Twitter.